that deals with the study of new teaching methods and educational research. This program focuses on different aspects of education, including teaching, curriculum, designing, leadership, counseling, and educational technology. MEd is typically 2-year course divided into 4 semesters. In first semester, there are 4 compulsory theory papers. Each one of them are 100 marks. 80 marks are external and 20 marks are internal. There are 2 practicals of 25 marks each. Also, there is an internship of 3 weeks in teacher education institutes. It carries 50 marks. So you will be marked total out of 500 in your first semester. Second semester, there are 4 compulsory theory papers, each of 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internals, and additionally 2 optional elective papers. One is of 100 marks, other is 50 marks, and 1 practical of 50 marks. Second semester also includes 3 weeks internship in Teacher Education Institute, which holds 50 marks. You will be marked total out of 650 in second semester. In third semester, 5 theory papers, each of 100 marks, and 28 days internship in specialized area, which holds 100 marks. You will be marked total out of 600. In fourth semester, there are 3 theory papers of 100 marks each and dissertation of 200 marks. You will be marked total out of 500. After the completion of MEd, candidates can choose to work not only as teacher but also as counselor, administrators, or head of different institutes. CPSM College of Education started MEd program in 2018 with 14 students, 33 students in 2019, and in 2020-21 we filled maximum number of seats 50. 10 students out of 50 got distinction in our first batch. MEd syllabus lays emphasis on different pedagogy of learning techniques that helps candidates to develop the right technical finds to become an educator. The course curriculum of MEd not only includes theory but also a great amount of practical works. As a part of the practical experience, candidates are encouraged to prepare dissertation, academic writing, and to attend workshops and seminars time to time. A degree in Master of Education opens up ample amount career opportunities for students in the field of teaching and education. A postgraduate in MEd can find promising jobs at places like education, consultancies, publishing house, school, colleges, coaching centers, research and developmental agencies, and so on. Hereby, we welcome you all to CPSM College of Education. Thank you, students.